Tonight we're going to cook pork menudo. We need a saucepan, a bigger one. We need a spatula. Here are the ingredients. Here's a cooking oil, or I use olive oil. We have garlic, we got onions, we got tomato, potato, capsicum or bell pepper. Look how big is the capsicum here in Australia, enormous. We have frozen peas, or you can use canned peas. We got sultanas or raisins. We have 1.5 kilos of pork shoulder, diced medium size, and we have pork liver, same, it should be diced in a medium size. For the sauces, we have soy sauce. This is the Filipino soy sauce. We have sweet soy sauce, salt, cracked pepper, and we have Knorr cubes. It's pork cubes. You can use VEGETA. This is a vegetable extract or powder. We have bay leaves or LAUREL sa Filipino, LAUREL ang tawag. We got tomato paste. 2 cups of water. Okay guys, let's start cooking. Okay, our casserole dish is now hot and ready. So we put the olive oil, about 5 tablespoons. And we got garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, onion, about 1 big size of onion. Any kind of onion. We have white onion, brown, Spanish onions, which is the red one. So just saute it for about 3 minutes. Put the tomato. Look how juicy. With this tomato.
It's looking good already.
Yeah. Okay, let's simmer a bit, and then we put the pork. This is 1.5 kilos. Pork shoulder. Put the lid on and come back for 5 minutes. The pork, I put the pork liver, washed pork liver, and I put the bay leaves, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Okay, put the cracked pepper. That's about a teaspoon, or a teaspoon of cracked pepper. And then I put the pork cubes, just 1. And then put 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. Let it broil for about 20 minutes. Okay, let's check our pork after 20 minutes. Oh, it looks good.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Mel?
And it's now tender. So we're going to put the potato, diced potato, medium size. Carrots, same. Mix it up, and we need to put tomato paste. Okay, so about 2 spoons. Yeah, before we already put 2 cups of water, and then we already put the carrots, potato, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and then let it simmer for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back to put the rest, the capsicum or bell pepper, green peas, and raisins, sultanas. let it cover for about 5 minutes and come back. Okay, after 5 minutes, let's check our pork menudo. Oh, looks nice.
It's looking like pork menudo now. Look at that color.
Yeah, very nice. Very colorful. So, now the potato is now nice and soft now. The capsicum or bell pepper.
Okay.
Green peas. These are frozen peas, but you can use the one in a tin. This is a sultanas and raisins, like a 1/4 cup.
Yum. That looks awesome. Smells great too.
Nice. It's very colorful. Look at the color. Pepper. We already put before, but we can put more. Sweet soy. A spoon. A little bit of salt. Okay, like 2 to 3 minutes, we'll come back. Okay, let's check our pork menudo. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Looks very, very yummy. Oh, nice. This is pork menudo, pork stew, pork casserole. Nice. Yummy. Okay, this is our finished product, pork menudo. Here's our cooked pork menudo. Voila! There you go. Yummy. That's pork with pork liver and heaps of vegetable. We're serving it with rice. Some people eating stew with bread, pasta, but Filipino loves rice. That's our pork menudo.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Hi, Serafina. Do you want some pork menudo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say masarap?
Yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this dish. See you next time at MELCY'S Kitchen. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.